So Year 7, we're going to learn the melody to Pachelbel's Canon, one of our famous Baroque composers. Each note is a 4-beat note, a semibreve, and we start from an E, a high E, so on the right of the two black keys, A, B, C, D, E, and we just descend down to the note G and up again, and we repeat that tune. The tune goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. And repeat. So you go back to the E, D, C, B, A, G, back to the A, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 3, and then up to the E. And that tune repeats, as you know, many times throughout the whole canon. If we play it with an accompaniment that I've recorded in, listen to how it works. D, C, B, A, G, A, B, and I'm going to double it with my left hand. E, an octave lower. D, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4. Back to the E, and we'll play it another time through. Each time just going down one note as far as G. So we'll make this our last time through the tune. And therefore our finishing note is just going to be a home note of C. So that's how pretty and effective the tune to Pachelbel's Canon is. What we also have to learn is the second part, which is what we counted when we counted up the bass part. The second part jumps around a little bit more. It starts on a C on the left of the two black keys, and we're going to be working down the keyboard. And this is how the tune works. C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, then A, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, back to F, 3, 4, and then G. So we go back to the starting note of C and repeat it. 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, A, down to an E, up a note to F, down to C, back to F, up to G. So this time, with the accompaniment, let's work out how the second part, that bass melody we've just learnt, works. 3, 4, G, A, down to E, up a note to F, down to C, back to F, up to G. And I'll double it in my second hand. Down to G, up to A, down to E, up a note to F, down to C, back to F, up to G, back to C, down to G, up a note to A, down to E, F, C, F, G, one more time, C, G, A, E, F, C, back to F, up to G, and finally finish on a C. Well done, Year 7. We've had a quick try through the melody part of Pachelbel's Canon. That was the first tune, and the tune that in fact forms the bass line, that tune which moves down the keyboard like that. Have a go with your partners on the keyboard, and remember to use a harpsichord button so it sounds like a Baroque harpsichord. Well done.